Hey, brain buddy. Quick question. Have you ever sat through a lecture or meeting, pen flying, wrist cramping, only to look back and realize your notes look like ancient hieroglyphics you can't even read? Yeah, same. I used to finish classes feeling like I'd run a marathon with my hand. But last semester, I hacked my note taking so hard that I now capture 3 times more info in half the time. Literally zero wrist cramps. And it involves doodling with an AI sidekick that feels like cheating. Stick around and I'll show you exactly how to do it. Step by step, no fancy art degree required. In the next 6 minutes, we'll cover 1. Why traditional notes are silently killing your focus and grades. 2. The AI doodle method, what it is and the free tool that runs it. 3. A 3-step zero-effort workflow you can use today. 4. Live demo, turning a messy lecture into a one-page masterpiece. 5. Pro tips to level up and never fall behind again. 1. Why your notes are betraying you. Remember last week when you rewrote the same definition 3 times because your brain refused to absorb it? That's cognitive overload. Linear text demands your working memory to decode words, structure, and meaning all at once. Doodles, on the other hand, hit the visual cortex directly, like fast tracks for memory. But we're not talking about cute sketches of cats. We're talking AI-generated doodles that summarize key concepts for you while you listen. Imagine your notebook becoming a comic strip of knowledge. 2. Meet your new best friend. The magic wand is called Doodle Lens, a free browser extension that pairs with Google Docs. It listens to your mic, transcribes keywords, and auto-draws simple icons in the margins. Don't worry about privacy. It processes locally, no cloud uploads. I've tested it on dense biochem lectures and even my dad's budget meetings. Works. Like a charm. 3. The 3-step zero-effort workflow. Step 1. Plug in and prep. Download Doodle Lens, pin it to Chrome. Open a blank Google Doc, hit the mic icon. You'll see a tiny palette where you can set your vibe. Minimal, colorful, or meme. Yes, tiny sassy cats appear. Thank me later. Step 2. Listen and let go. Now here's the counterintuitive part. Stop trying to write every word. Instead, every time the speaker drops a keyword, definition, date, formula, just say it out loud. The AI hears it, drops a doodle plus one-line caption. I call this verbal highlighting. Takes zero effort, keeps your brain in receive mode. Step 3. Review and relish. After class, hit Export to PDF. You'll have a tidy page with doodles acting as visual anchors. Spend 2 minutes adding tiny arrows or color coding if you're feeling spicy. That's it. Your 45-minute lecture just became a 1-minute scroll. 4. Live demo, screen record. Let's practice. I'm playing a 30-second clip from a random TED Talk. Watch the doc populate. The speaker says neuroplasticity, boom, brain icon. 10,000 hours? Clock doodle. See how my hands are literally free to sip coffee? That's the vibe. 5. PRO tips. Color code by theme. Green equals examples, red equals warnings. Use voice shortcuts. Say star this to flag exam topics. Batch review on Sunday. Export doodles to Anki flashcards in 1 click. So there you have it. AI doodling, the laziest genius move you'll make all semester. Imagine walking into your next test already remembering pages because your notes look like a graphic novel you actually want to read. If this saved your wrist and your sanity, smash that like button like it owes you rent. Drop a comment with the craziest Doodle Lens ever gave you, and subscribe for more work smarter, not harder hacks every single Thursday. Now go open that blank doc and let your notes draw themselves. You've got this, superstar.